Hi friends, problem statements from coding interviews and solving it. If you have any such problem statements to resolve, please post it in the comments. Today we are going to build a guessing game using Python. Let's get into action. In any online game, the first step is to get the username, and I am storing it in a variable called name. Let's generate a number randomly and store it in a variable called number. So how to generate a number? I'm going to use randint. This randint will generate a number between 1 and 20. And this randint should be imported from random library. Import randint. This randint will basically generate an integer. And the next step is to let me inform the user that I am thinking of a number between 1 and 20. And now let's take the number from the user and store it in a variable called guess. Okay. Now we have created a number, we have generated a number randomly, and we have got the input from the user as well. Let's see if both are same by using if condition. Okay, both are same. Just print the output. Let's execute this. The user name is Anu, and it is giving me a message. Hello Anu, I'm thinking of a number between. Okay, let me guess the number. Should it be 13? No, it is not. Adding an else part will be better, because if my guest number is not equal to the randomly generated number, so I have to print some message. So let's say try again. Let me run this program. Username will be Anu, and it says I'm thinking of a number between 1 and 20. Let me say 12. No, actually the guessed number, whatever I've guessed as 12, which is not equal to the randomly generated number. So the control comes to the else part, and it is giving me try again. Okay, so this is a simple guessing code. Actually, we can build a lot on top of this. Let's see how to do that. Okay. So what I can do now is I can give a number of times a person can guess. Okay, I can just control that. Let's see how to do that. Let me introduce a while statement here. While, okay. So actually I have to initialize a variable. Let's say guess taken. I'm initializing it to 0. What I'll do is guess taken. Let us give 4 chances to the user. This while loop will keep iterating till it satisfies this condition. I am giving 4 chances to the user to guess it correctly. Okay. Then let me increment the counter. Now let's try to execute this. Let me give us Anu, and I'm guessing it as 12. No, it is not. So it is asking me to try again. Let me say 10. No, try again. 1. No, try again. So 8. No, try again. So it will give me basically 4 chances. Let's make this game more interesting. I'm going to give more clues to the user. Let's add the code for it. If my guess number is less than the randomly generated number, then I'm going to print guess is too low, try again. If guess number is greater than the randomly generated number, I'm going to print guess is too high, try again. Our code is ready now with 4 chances given for the user to guess, and we are giving clues as well. Let's go ahead and execute this code. Okay, let me say Anu. And the first guess I am taking is 12. No, it's saying it's too low. So let me say 16. No, it is saying too high. So that means the number should be between 12 and 16. Let me try with 14. No, it is saying, let me try with 15. Yeah, you got it. So this is how it works. And you can make this game more interesting by introducing scores and storing the scores into a database or a file. And you can compare the scores with other users so that you will have a good competition. I will come back with more problem statements. Till then, it's bye bye from Reshma. Thank you.